Hi you guys, welcome back to SS Beauty's YouTube channel. It's been a long and tiring day for me. It's rained all day, so my skin is in desperate need of some TLC. If you're here doing your own beauty routine and are watching this video on YouTube like I do, I like to watch something on YouTube when I'm doing these indulging routines. It feels like I have someone doing these steps with me. Tonight is a monsoon get unready with me. This is one of those routines where I really take my time and give my skin some indulgent care and love, especially because the weather is so sticky, humid and just unpredictable. It's an easy 6-step routine that helps my skin stay calm, clean and hydrated throughout the monsoon season. Let's get into it. I have a full face of makeup on and I'm a big fan of double cleansing. So the first step is this cleansing oil from MAC. Rub it into your palms and this is going to melt my makeup and sunscreen right off. Doesn't feel oily or sticky and even takes the most stubborn makeup off like mascara. Also doesn't feel drying, which sometimes double cleansing can do, and that's not good for your skin. My makeup's all melted off, so I'm just gonna rinse this out. Squeaky clean and does not feel dry. Step 2 of double cleansing is gonna be a nice and gentle foaming face wash. This one's from Caudalie and I love it. You just pump it on. And it's really gentle because it's already in a foam and you don't have to rub it on your skin and make that lather and clean your skin. Be right back. I've gotten rid of all my makeup and sunscreen from the day. My skin feels super clean. I'm gonna go in with this clay mask from Innisfree as the third step. I have combination skin, so I apply this on my T-zone and that just does the job for me. A teeny bit on my chin because I have some pores here. I'm going to leave this on for 5 to 7 minutes and allow it to do its job, which is remove all the dirt and gunk from my oily areas. What I like to do is take a damp towel and gently wipe the product away. It gives a little bit of exfoliation without being too harsh. I do it once or max 2 times a week, not more, to avoid over exfoliating, and it just keeps my skin in check, especially the clogged pores. I have an exfoliating toner, but I'm not using that today. My skin has had enough exfoliation, so I'm gonna skip on to the next step, which is my serum. I'm using this one from Clinique. It's the Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum, and I'm obsessed with the moisturizer from this range. This serum is also so good. Gently massage the product in. At the end, the key is to always press the product in. It just helps your skin absorb the product better. It gives me that glass skin effect without being too heavy on the skin, because I need my hydration but I don't want it to feel heavy during the rainy season. Call this next step the star of the routine because this is my 10th tub and I'm that obsessed with it. It has this rich texture yet doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's like a calming, cozy blanket for your skin and you can actually see the effects lasting till the morning. This is also almost over, so I need a refill ASAP because I cannot go without this product. I like to use the same product and work it under my eyes so I don't have to use a separate eye cream for it. Look how my skin is so plumpy and juicy and just like a glazed donut. This is exactly how I want to go to bed every single night. On to the last step, which is a lip mask. I'm using the Bouncy and Firm Lip Treatment from Laneige. I love their OG sleeping mask, but this is also such a great product. It smells like candy. I really want to eat it. Also, the packaging is so cute and pinky. And that's it. That was my full monsoon nighttime skincare routine. I feel like this is the best part of my night when I come home and do my skincare and just take care of my skin, wear a fresh set of pajamas, get into bed, watch some Netflix and go to bed all cozy in the rain. Let me know some of your favorites that you prefer during this season. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye!